Advantages and disadvantages of cryptocurrency. With the industrialization and involvement of technology, digital currencies are gaining an upper hand over others. One such currency is Bitcoin. Many of us are familiar with this well known terminology. The only confusing thing is cryptocurrencies. What are its pros and cons? Is it worth investing? If you have such questions, get them answered here. You will find the major advantages and disadvantages of cryptocurrencies. So without further time wasting, let's get started. Advantages of cryptocurrencies. Protection from inflation. Inflation has caused many currencies to get their value decline with time. Almost every cryptocurrency at the time of its launch is released with a fixed amount. The source code specifies the amount of any coin, like there are only 21 million bitcoins released in the world. So, as the demand increases, its value will increase, which will keep up with the market and in the long run prevent inflation. The second point is self governed and managed. Governance and maintenance of any currency is a major factor for its development. The cryptocurrency's transactions are stored by developers, miners on their hardware, and they get the transaction fees as a reward for doing so. Since the miners are getting paid for it, they keep transaction records accurate and up to date, keeping the integrity of the cryptocurrencies and the records decentralized. The number 3 point is secure and private. Privacy and security have always been a major concern for cryptocurrencies. The blockchain ledger is based on the different mathematical puzzles which are hard to decode. This makes a cryptocurrency more secure than ordinary electronic transactions. Cryptocurrencies for better security and privacy use pseudonyms that are unconnected to any user account or stored data that could be linked to a profile. The number 4 point is currency exchange can be done easily. Cryptocurrencies can be bought using many currencies like the US dollar, European euro, British pound, Indian rupees, or Japanese yen. With the help of different cryptocurrencies, wallet and exchanges, one currency can be converted into the other by trading in cryptocurrency across different wallets and with minimal transaction fees. The other point is decentralized. A major pro of cryptocurrency is that they are mainly decentralized. A lot of cryptocurrencies are controlled by the developers using it and the other who have a significant amount of the coin, or by an organization to develop it before it is released into the market. The decentralization helps keep the currencies monopoly free and in check so that no one organization can determine the flow and the value of the coin, which in turn will keep it stable and secure, unlike fiat currencies which are controlled by the government. The last point is a fast way to transfer funds. Cryptocurrencies have always kept itself as an optimal solution for the transactions. Transactions, whether international or domestic, in cryptocurrencies are lightning fast. This is because the verification requires very little time to process, as there are a few barriers to cross. Disadvantages of cryptocurrencies. It can be used for illegal transactions. Since the privacy and security of cryptocurrencies transactions are high, it's hard for the government to track down any user by their wallet address or keep tabs on their data. Bitcoin has been used as a mode of exchanging money in a lot of illegal deals in the past, such as buying drugs on the dark web. The second point is data losses can cause financial losses. The developers wanted to create virtually untraceable source code, strong hacking defenses, and impenetrable authentication protocols. This would make it safer to put money in cryptocurrency than physical cash or bank vaults. But if any user loses the private key to their wallet, there's no getting it back. The wallet will remain locked away along with the number of coins inside it. This will result in the financial loss of the user. Decentralized but is still operated by some organization. The cryptocurrencies are known for its feature of being decentralized, but the flow and the amount of some currencies in the market are still controlled by their creators and some organizations. These holders can manipulate the coin for large swings in its price. Even hugely traded coins are susceptible to these manipulations, like Bitcoin, whose value doubled several times in 2017. Some coins not available in other fiat currencies. Some currencies can only be traded in one or a few fiat currencies. This forces the user to convert these currencies into one of the major currencies like Bitcoin first, then through other exchanges to their desired currencies. This applies to only a few cryptocurrencies. By doing this, the extra transaction fees are added in the process, costing unnecessary money. Adverse effect of mining on the environment. Mining cryptocurrencies required a lot of computational power and electricity input, making it highly energy intensive. The biggest culprit in this is Bitcoin. Mining Bitcoin requires advanced computer and a lot of energy. It cannot be done on ordinary computers. Major Bitcoin miners are in countries like China that use coal to produce electricity. This has increased China's carbon footprint tremendously. No refund or cancellation policy. If there is a dispute between concerning parties, or if someone mistakenly sends funds to a wrong wallet addresses, the coins cannot be retried by the sender. This can be used by many people to cheat others out of their money. Since there are no refunds, one can easily be created for a transaction whose product or services they never received.